In today's competitive retail world, staying ahead necessitates a thorough grasp of business performance and customer behavior. Integrated analytics within a point-of-sale system have emerged as a game changer in providing retailers with the necessary insights. Retailers receive significant insights into their business's success by providing full sales and performance information in real time, enabling them to make data-driven decisions, optimize strategies, and maximize profitability. In this video, we will look at the relevance and benefits of integrated analytics within a POS system, demonstrating how it enables retailers to harness the power of data and propel their business to new heights. Tracking performance in real time. Integrated analytics in a POS system enable retailers with real-time performance tracking, allowing them to analyze sales, revenue, and other vital indicators as transactions occur. This real-time visibility allows retailers to keep informed about the health of their business, analyzing trends and spotting possible difficulties as they develop. Retailers may immediately assess the impact of marketing initiatives, promotions, or changes in product range by having access to up-to-date sales performance data. This knowledge enables businesses to make fast adjustments to their strategies, capitalize on emerging possibilities, and handle any potential issues as soon as possible. Comprehensive sales analysis. Integrated analytics within a POS system provide retailers with a full picture of their sales data, allowing them to acquire insights into customer behavior, product performance, and revenue trends. Retailers can evaluate sales data based on a variety of parameters, such as product categories, individual items, customer segments, or time periods. This degree of granularity enables for in-depth analysis and identification of top-selling products, high-value customer groupings, and peak sales periods. Inventory management optimization. Integrated analytics are critical in optimizing inventory management procedures, lowering costs, and increasing overall efficiency. Retailers can obtain real-time inventory data via the POS system, allowing them to monitor stock levels, manage inventory turnover, and identify potential stockouts or overstock problems. With this information, merchants may modify inventory levels proactively, optimize procurement, and cut holding costs. Retailers can accurately estimate demand and coordinate their inventory levels by integrating inventory data with sales analytics. This allows them to maintain ideal stock levels, reduce stock disparities, and lessen the risk of missed sales due to stockouts or surplus inventory. Data-driven decision-making. Integrated analytics enables merchants to make informed, data-driven decisions across all elements of their organization. Retailers may improve their return on investment by combining sales data, customer insights, and inventory information. Retailers can use real-time performance analytics to analyze the success of marketing initiatives, measure the efficacy of promotions, and make data-driven decisions about budget allocation and resource management, reporting and visualization that is useful. Integrated analytics within a POS system provide retailers with a variety of reporting and visualization capabilities for transforming raw data into actionable insights. Retailers can create reports and dashboards that provide a clear visual picture of important performance indicators, sales trends, and consumer information. These visualizations aid merchants in comprehending complex data and efficiently communicating findings inside their organizations. Additionally, businesses can set up automated reports and alerts that highlight important changes or abnormalities in their sales or inventory data. This proactive approach helps merchants to respond promptly to new trends or difficulties, assuring effective decision-making and avoiding potential risks.